Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your kitchen tasks easier and more efficient, the 1.6 cubic feet countertop microwave in black. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this microwave stand out. With a generous capacity of 1.6 cubic feet, this countertop microwave is designed to accommodate a wide variety of dishes, from large casserole dishes to everyday plates. If you're someone who often finds yourself juggling multiple cooking tasks, this microwave could be a game changer for you. What's more impressive is its powerful 1,100 watts of cooking power. This means you can expect effective cooking performance whether you're reheating leftovers, defrosting meats, or cooking a quick meal. The high wattage ensures that your food is cooked evenly and efficiently, which is something we all appreciate when we're in a hurry. One of the standout features is the 6 pre-programmed one-touch cooking menus. Imagine being able to cook your favorite dishes at the touch of a button. It's as simple as selecting the right setting for popcorn, pizza, or baked potatoes, and letting the microwave do the rest. This feature is especially useful for busy families or anyone who may not have the time or energy to fuss over meal preparation. Speaking of defrosting, this microwave also includes auto defrost menus that allow you to defrost by weight. This makes it incredibly easy to thaw out those frozen items from your fridge or freezer without second-guessing how long they should be in there. It's a real time saver for those last-minute meal plans. When it comes to cooking versatility, the 11 power levels offer a wide range of cooking possibilities. Whether you need to gently heat something or blast it with high power, you have the control to get the perfect results for your meals. Another practical feature is the kitchen timer, which adds a level of convenience when you're multitasking in the kitchen. It's easy to lose track of time, especially when you're cooking multiple dishes, and having a built-in timer can make all the difference. The microwave also features a 13.58-inch rotating glass turntable. This ensures even heat distribution, meaning your food is less likely to end up with hot spots or cold centers, which can sometimes happen with microwaves that lack this feature. The rotating function allows for more consistent cooking, giving you peace of mind that your meals will be ready to eat as intended. And let's not forget about the design. The classic smooth black exterior is not just aesthetically pleasing but also versatile enough to complement a variety of kitchen appliances. It's a microwave that can fit seamlessly into your kitchen decor while providing functionality. So, who is this microwave suitable for? Whether you're a busy professional, a parent with kids who need quick meals, or someone who enjoys hosting gatherings, this microwave can cater to your needs. It's also great for college students living in dorms or anyone with limited kitchen space who still wants the convenience of a reliable cooking appliance. In terms of practical use cases, think about those busy weeknights when you're coming home from work and need to whip up dinner quickly. Or perhaps you're planning a movie night and want to pop some popcorn without the hassle. This microwave is designed to make those moments easier and more enjoyable. In conclusion, the 1.6 cubic feet countertop microwave in black is a powerful, versatile, and stylish kitchen appliance that can elevate your cooking experience. With its variety of features designed for convenience and efficiency, it's well worth considering for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,